Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your Wi-Fi with Netgear routers, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your Wi-Fi with Netgear routers, start by connecting to your network. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the default URL for Netgear routers, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net. Press enter. When prompted, log in using your admin credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username is admin and the default password is password. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings in the menu. Change the SSID, or network name, to something unique that does not reveal your identity. Next, select the security option from the wireless settings. Choose WPA3 or WPA2 Personal as your security type for the best protection. Create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. After saving these settings, look for the Advanced tab in the main menu. Enable features like Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS if they are available. This will help add an extra layer of security for connecting devices. Next, check for any firmware updates by navigating to the Administration section. Click on Firmware Update and follow the prompts to install the latest version if needed. This ensures you have the latest security patches. Return to the main menu and locate the Access Control feature. Enable and configure MAC address filtering to specify which devices are allowed to connect. Make sure to save any changes you make in this section. Consider disabling the SSID broadcast if you want an additional layer of security. This will make your network name hidden from casual users. Keep in mind that this can complicate connecting new devices. To further enhance security, you can also enable the guest network feature. This allows visitors to connect without giving them access to your main network. Set a strong password for the guest network as well. Finally, regularly check connected devices and disconnect any that are unfamiliar. Repeat these steps periodically to ensure your network remains secure. By following these instructions, you can effectively protect your Wi-Fi with a Netgear router. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.